The most commonly occurring toxin in California is domoic acid, or DA. DA is produced by diatoms of the species Pseudonychia and the species Nichia. These are the only type of diatoms that produces toxins. Exposure to DA can cause gastrointestinal symptoms and neurological symptoms, such as seizures and permanent short-term memory loss. The harmful dose is much higher. It's about 6 milligrams per adult body weight of 60 kilograms. Now, DA is also water soluble, um, and so it does not propagate in the food web. It tends to be present in higher concentration, low in organisms that feed directly on the phytoplankton that has the toxin. Domoic acid poisoning, or DAP, in California has been detected in pelicans, in cormorants, and in sea lions. The anchovy is likely to be the vector. Anchovies don't appear to suffer any symptoms. They ingest large amounts of the toxic cells, and these animals ingest large amounts of anchovies. So if the anchovy is loaded with toxin cells, with the domoic acid toxin, these animals will experience domoic acid poisoning. Symptoms of domoic acid poisoning in the marine fauna include head bouncing, disorientation, seizures while flying, and death. Scientists believe that the movie The Birds by Alfred Hitchcock was inspired by a domoic acid event that occurred in Capitola in Santa Cruz County when several sooty shearwater birds were reported to have seizures while flying around the area. Birds and marine mammals can be treated for DA poisoning. If you ever notice a marine mammal in distress, you can call the Marine Mammal Center, and they will remove the victim and treat it in a facility in San Francisco. You have to call 415-269-SEAL. Here's a story, an interesting story about a sea otter that has been found to be exposed to domoic acid. Let's see if we can get the link. I can't get the link to open, but I'll post these, and you can watch the story of how this guy Otto was found by a beach, a person that was at the beach, called the Marine Mammal Center. He got treated, he recovered, and he was released back into the water. Human exposure to DA can occur via the consumption of fish that is recreationally caught, and also by shellfish such as mussels and razor clams. Fish such as anchovies, sardines, jack smelts can carry domoic acid. But note that the consumption of contaminated shellfish by humans is more likely to cause exposure to DA. DA, again, is a water-soluble toxin, which means it clears from the fish gut quickly without being assimilated to the fish fillet. Moreover, most people clean their fish before eating it. By cleaning the fish or degutting it, you remove the part of the fish body where the toxin is concentrated. So if you compare here a pelican and a fisherman, the pelican will eat a whole anchovy. Fisherman is more likely to degut the fish because it's a water-soluble toxin. The toxin is found concentrated in the gut. So if you remove the gut of the fish, you remove your risk of being exposed to higher amounts of the toxin.